Ay nako, hindi na naman na-record. Alright, what's up guys? This is B-Boy of Gitbox PH and good morning sa kanilang lahat. Today, decided to make breakfast kasi meron tayong natirang pandesal from yesterday from Pandelitos. No? Shout out to Pandelitos. And then, I wanted to make some egg stuff and I saw something on IG na gamit lang ang air fryer. So I don't have all the ingredients na nakalagay doon. So we'll just make up our own. So all you need to do is all you need to have are 4 eggs, and then some seasoning. Well, I chose this. Meron kaming ganitong bagel. Everything but the bagel sesame seasoning blend. Teka, baka expired na to . May expiration ba to? Amoy natin. Okay, mas maganda kung tikman na natin. Okay, pwede pa. So, itong everything but the bagel, meron siyang anong tawag dito? Garlic, pepper, salt, at saka sesame, pretty much. Hindi maglalagay ako nitong cayenne pepper. And then olive oil. And then some pepper. At kailangan lang natin ay itong ano man tawag dito na ilalagay mo doon sa air fryer. So what I'm gonna do, ang laman lang nung ating itlog ay kamatis dahil wala nga tayo na ibang ingredients. Maganda sana kung mayroong mga ibang mayroong ibang like for example ay bell pepper. Ayan. So lagyan na lang natin ito. Keso. May keso ba tayo? Teka. Check natin. Dapat meron. Budburan natin ng keso sa ibabaw. Okay. So, we are into the, almost 3rd week of 2024, no? So, I hope you guys are having a fantastic start of the year with plenty of opportunities ahead. And then now pala, wag ahead. Now, by the way, syempre, nagugas na tayo ng kamay, So, gagawa natin ng breakfast yung ating misis. Hopefully, she'll like it. Samahan natin ng coffee. So, teka, ganun lang gagawin natin . So, okay, teka, ano lang gagawin ko? So, all I need to do is put this in the air fryer. Sige, try natin yun. Alright, so nandito tayo sa ating air frying station. So, this should be very, very simple to do. Ay, teka, lagyan muna natin ng olive oil para lagyan natin ng konting olive oil. Okay. And then we're gonna prepare all our seasoning. So, ang gagawin natin, we're gonna crack the egg. Okay, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So, this should be like, it will take, nako, meron tayong shell. Wow. Yung mga cooking experts dyan, please, no bashing. Spare me. Hayaan mo na nga. Sana ako na lang makakain. Nahulog pa roon. So, ang gagawin natin, gusto ko lagay muna yung seasoning para nakabaon dyan. Then, okay, lagay natin ito. Yung ating everything but bagel. Everything but the bagel. Okay. Okay. Lagyan natin ng counting pepper pa. Fresh. Okay. And then, lagyan natin ng konting cayenne para medyo may kick ng konti. Ano? Lagyan ko ng konting salt. Okay. And then, yung ating kamatis. Sayang, wala tayong ibang pampakulay nitong ating kung ano man tawag dito sa luto na ito. So all we need to do is set our air fryer to 180 degrees. And then 15 minutes. So hopefully that will do the trick. So mag-aantay lang tayo ng konti. Kasi in a bit. Alright. So guys, 15 minutes is over. At medyo naaamoy ko na. Check lang natin kung how it looks. So first time natin trying it. Whoa. Uy. Ano to? Nasobrahan, sakto. Pero parang pwede Kailangan lang may mas maraming maraming toppings and all. But it looks kind of okay. So ito ang ating frittata via air fryer. So kailangan matikman na natin to. Sige, let's see. Ay nako, hindi na naman na-record. Okay. So, newbie problems again. So, tinry na natin yung ating egg frittata. I was saying, okay naman siya. But I think masyado matagal yung 15 minutes. Lalo na't hindi ko naman siya tinayuan kagad. Once it cooked. Once the 15 minutes was up. Ngayon, so ganito yung niya, yung itlog. I think I'll have to try ko next time 13 minutes. Para medyo siguro basa-basa pa siya ng konti. But for now, well, this will do. So, yan. Medyo well done yung ating itlog Ayun, yung shell na hindi ko nakuha kanina. Alright? So, that's it. Kung meron kayong mga air fryer, you can try this out sa inyong mga bahay. This is your frittata via air fryer. Try it. Alright. God bless everybody. Have a great day ahead. Shalom.